When you think of flying, you probably imagine paying extra for almost everything. Baggage, snacks, even a seat you actually like. But what if I told you there's a list of completely free things you can get on a flight, no matter your ticket type, if you simply know what to ask for? From extra comfort items to special snacks, even things that could make your trip healthier and safer, airlines actually offer them. You just don't see them on the menu. And the best part? These perks are yours for the taking, without spending a single cent. Today, I'm going to reveal all the freebies hiding in plain sight. And number 8 on this list is so surprising, even frequent flyers have no idea it exists. So fasten your seatbelt, because by the end of this video, you'll be traveling smarter and cheaper than ever before. Number 1. Extra snacks and drinks. Here's the thing. Flight attendants usually carry more snacks and drinks than they initially offer. While you may think you're only entitled to one packet of pretzels or a single drink, the truth is you can politely ask for seconds. Airlines keep extras on board in case of longer delays or hungrier passengers. You just need to time it right. Ask when they're not busy serving the whole cabin, and always be polite. You'd be surprised how often you'll get a, "Sure, let me grab that for you." Number 2, a full bottle of water. Most passengers settle for a small plastic cup of water, but if you ask for a full bottle, you'll often get one for free, especially on long-haul flights. This is not only convenient, but it helps keep you hydrated without waiting for the next drink service. If the flight is very busy, they may hand it to you discreetly so you can refill your own cup. Number 3, hot water or tea bags. Some passengers don't realize that you can ask for hot water. Perfect if you're carrying your own herbal tea or instant coffee. Many flight attendants are happy to give you a cup of hot water or even a spare tea bag from their stash. For longer flights, this is a lifesaver if you want something soothing before you try to sleep. Number 4, extra blankets and pillows. Cold on a flight? You're not alone. The cabin temperature is often set cooler for safety and comfort reasons. Airlines typically load more blankets and pillows than the exact number of passengers, especially on overnight flights. If you ask early, right after boarding, you have a better chance of getting an extra one before they're gone. Number 5, headphones. Even if you forgot yours at home, many airlines have complimentary headphones, though they don't always offer them to everyone. If you're flying economy, especially on a shorter route, they might not hand them out unless you ask. They're not the highest quality, but they'll get the job done for watching a movie or listening to in-flight music. Number 6, kid-friendly goodies. If you're flying with children, you can often request coloring books, crayons, or even small toys for free. Many airlines carry these to keep young passengers entertained. They're not always announced, so it's worth asking a flight attendant if they have anything available for kids. Number 7, special meals, even in economy. You don't have to be in first class to get a meal that suits your diet. Airlines often have vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, or even diabetic-friendly meals available, but you need to request them in advance when booking. However, even if you didn't pre-order, it's worth asking the crew if they have any spares after the main meal service. Number 8, first aid items. Most passengers have no idea about this. Flight attendants are trained in basic first aid and carry supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and even motion sickness tablets. If you're feeling unwell, don't suffer in silence, just let them know. While they can't hand out certain medications without permission, they're allowed to give basic health-related items if you ask. Number 9, free upgrades. Rare but possible. While free upgrades aren't as common as they used to be, they do happen, especially if your seat is broken, if you're traveling for a special occasion, or if the economy cabin is overbooked. Being polite, well-dressed, and asking discreetly increases your chances. Don't demand, just mention your situation, and let them see if it's possible. Number 10, extra bread, fruit, or desserts. On longer flights with meal service, there are often extra rolls, fruit cups, or small desserts left over. If you enjoyed yours and wouldn't mind a second, simply ask once the main service is done. This is especially useful if you're still hungry after a smaller portion. Number 11. Sleeping masks and earplugs. Many airlines offer complimentary sleep kits on long-haul routes, but they don't always give them to every passenger unless requested. These often include an eye mask, earplugs, and sometimes socks. If you're trying to get some rest, ask if they have any available. It can make a big difference. Number 12. Cockpit visit. Before takeoff or after landing. Yes, it's still possible to see the cockpit, especially for kids. Security rules mean you can't do it mid-flight, but if you ask before takeoff or after landing, some pilots are happy to let passengers have a quick look and even take a photo. Number 13. Better seats. After boarding. If the plane isn't full, you can ask the crew if it's okay to move to a more spacious or comfortable seat after boarding is complete. Sometimes they'll even recommend better spots themselves, especially if you're traveling alone and they can seat you somewhere quieter. Number 14. Hot towels. On some airlines, hot towels are only given in business or first class. But if you ask politely, some flight attendants may offer you one if extras are available. This is great for freshening up on long flights. Number 15. Unlimited soft drinks and juices. Many passengers think they're limited to just one drink during service, but you can request refills as often as you like, within reason. This includes sodas, juices, and even coffee or tea. Just remember to ask when they're not in the middle of serving the entire cabin. Conclusion. So there you have it. 15 completely free things you can ask for on your next flight. Some of these might seem small, but they can make your journey far more comfortable and enjoyable, all without spending extra money. Next time you fly, remember, the crew's job is to make your experience as pleasant as possible. And sometimes, all it takes is a polite request. Which of these freebies surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more insider travel tips like this.